evening friends, time for a technical update on the markets. The markets opened with a gap up today and it held on to the gap throughout the day, ending the day with an impressive 143 point gain on the Nifty. Today's rally was led by a host of stocks from all sectors. We had Tata Steel and Sesa Goa from the metals pack, L&T ahead of its numbers from the capital goods space, Reliance from the oil and gas, ITC from the FMCG space. So we had a host of stocks that led the market with a 143 point gain on the Nifty. The advance decline ratio was in the ratio of 723 advances to 448 declines. Now let us have a look at the charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that after correcting for 2 days, the Nifty has given a positive close today and it has taken out the previous high of 6156 on a closing basis, and it has closed above that. It is trading above the 20 and 40 daily moving averages, and the momentum indicator also has a positive crossover, which indicates the short term positive bias is here to sustain, and we could see further upside movement on the Nifty in the coming trading sessions. On the hourly charts, we can observe that it is also trading above the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages, which are crucial intraday levels, which are 6106 and 6086 respectively. See, these are the crucial averages, and if the market corrects a bit, we expect market to take support at these levels. The hourly momentum indicator also has a positive crossover, so we expect the markets to continue its positive momentum going ahead. Overall, our view on the Nifty remains positive for a target of 6230 on the upside. We have trailed our stop loss from 5940 to 6032, which is the swing low. On the Bank Nifty also, we can observe that the Bank Nifty has taken support at the 20-day simple moving average, and it has started moving up once again from there, and we expect the rally in banking stocks to continue. The momentum indicator has a positive crossover, which indicates which supports our positive bias on banking stocks, and we expect the rally in Bank Nifty to continue up till 11,000 and 11,300 on the upside. Now moving on to some stock specific ideas for short term trade. The first one which we have is from the banking space. Which we have is IDBI. IDBI has taken support at the lower trend line of the upward sloping channel. Along with that, the 20-day simple moving average and the 40-day exponential moving average have been acting as a crucial support for IDBI, and we expect targets of 65 and 66.4 on the upside. The stop loss for this call should be placed at 6190. Another stock which we have is Petronet. Petronet has taken out this downward sloping resistance trend line, and it has also closed above that. The 20 and 40 daily moving averages have been providing support to this stock. We expect targets of 130.5 and 133.5 on Petronet LNG in the coming trading sessions. The stop loss should be maintained at 124.5. That's all for the day. Thank you.